Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly walk you through a couple of key features with our new on the lot 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan Highline R-Line. The R-Line package does come with these beautiful gunmetal gray rims, 19 inches, with an R-Line badge on the side. Coming around to the passenger side, you will notice the black leather and a nice R-Line sill plate. This vehicle is finished in a beautiful black exterior. Rear seat passengers are given an ample amount of leg space and head space with backrest adjustable seats, and the bench does slide forward and backwards. You do have vents here at the back, as well as a USB and 12-volt outlet. Coming around to the back here, you do have a power tailgate. Inside of the tailgate here, you do have two pulls for either side of the bench seats. Very easy to modulate the cargo area here in this vehicle. You have a left and right side bin area for the trunk as well. Underneath this flap here, you do have your spare as well as the subwoofer. Coming around to the driver's side, you'll notice the same beautiful black leather seats. Again, a Fender audio call out here. You have full adjustability of the driver's seat along with memory. This vehicle does come with the Volkswagen digital cockpit, so you have a full digital display here that you could put your map on. This vehicle does have a suite of assist systems as well: lane assist, side assist, rear traffic alert, and front assist. Left side here will control most of your assist features and cruise control. Right side will be mainly for media and changing your settings that are on screen. This vehicle also does have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, a 360 view camera, quick view of the rear view camera right here, and satellite navigation. Coming down to the climate controls, you do have dual zone climate control here, so you can change your temperature on both the left and right side of the car. You have heated steering wheel and heated seats. Down low you have your USB input section. Push to start, you have your mode switch here that will switch you between eco, normal, and sport. And you have your auto engine on and off. Top this all off with a gigantic sunroof, and this is the perfect sport utility vehicle. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly show you a couple features in our 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan Highline R-Line. Please reach out to us if you have any questions or for any of your vehicle needs. Thank you very much. Take care.